Now we're ready to test the JTM45 1964 and got the variac at 0 voltage. The amp in standby. We'll switch it on and then we'll slowly bring up the variac, watching for excess current consumption. And the main thing to check is we have a negative voltage on the grids of the JT45 output tubes. And we've got just over 20 volts on that one. Same on that one, so that's good. Just running about 40 volts coming in from the mains at the moment. So we'll go up to about 120 volts in. We should see this voltage come up. Up to 28. And if we just go up to about 140 volts, 150-ish going in, it's set to 240 volts. We've got 33 volts now on the output tubes, the bias voltage each one. And let's just check that we've got that right at the grids. Yeah, and on that one. Yeah. So we should have enough voltage coming into the amp for the valve to work. We've got the JT45s in and the GZ now. So let's bring it out of standby. Now, got the volume up. So that's a good sign. So we've got 274 volts B plus, HT as we say in the UK, for 33 volts bias. The amp is working. Let's see if the controls work. Yeah, that's the treble, it's not noisy. Yeah, that's the middle. We'll check the bass. We'll put some. We'll do a sweep. We'll put some low frequency in and check the bass is working. The presence control's working, and that's that channel. Let's check the other channel. Yeah, so that's good. And let's turn the voltage up now to 200 volts, 200 going in. Sounds good. My phone interfering with the amp. And we can see with 200 volts coming in, we've got minus 43 volts, and the B plus has come up to 362 volts. So I think we can go to its full mains voltage now. 240 volts in. $430 volts B plus, which is about right for this, for these, and that bias voltage is now at 52 volts. So that's good. Right, we'll make a part 3. I'll put the scope on it and let you look at the results, and we'll bias it up, check the bias, that is. It's not adjustable on these. Usually adjust the bias by trimming that across that resistor. Okay, thanks again for watching.